Today we're going to talk about the competitive advantages of Cisco MDS line over Brocade's stinky 48,000 and DCX series switches. The most important thing you can look for in a switch is that they're reliable, that they have high availability, that they have predictable and consistent performance. Brocade's 48,000 and DCX lines fail on one major front, and this one major front is essential for any network admin or any company that's looking for business continuity. That front is on corrupted frames. What, may you ask, is a corrupted frame? What is a corrupted frame? A corrupted frame is simply a dropped frame that happens usually at the HBA level, a bad cable, or CRC errors. What does that imply? For most companies, it implies that at the SAN level, the corrupted frame is propagating like evil bacteria and viruses throughout the SAN. And as such, it is causing network admins to spend needless hours troubleshooting, application degradation, and performance issues. Lots of bad stuff happen when you have dropped frames. Cisco switches fix it. They drop it right at the level. They don't have to go into it, whereas Brocade has to be fixed at the attached level. Because Brocade requires attached devices to drop corrupted frames, you have an imbalance of data, causing termination of exchanges, slower processing, and a lot of angry end users. In the enterprise, you want predictive performance, higher data transfer capability, and you don't want corrupted frames. The Brocade 48,000 and Brocade DCX fail on every front in this area. So if the frames become corrupt, they're fixed by the Cisco switches. Corrupted frames propagate through the SAN. The Cisco, in contrast, fixes it, repairs it, and drops it, and it never gets into the SAN level. That's why we're number one, and Brocade will always be chasing us. And that concludes this competitive feature analysis of Cisco switches and bad virus-ridden Brocade. Yuck! Blow them away, Cisco!